Introducing Checklists for TN360, the application that simplifies the capture of key maintenance and compliance information. Your drivers will love how easy it is to complete the digital checklists on their mobile device. The easy-to-use app guides drivers through each step and can be used for a wide range of checklists, including vehicle pre-trip inspections and driver fit for duty assessments. It's also really easy to build checklists from within the TN360 software. You can add questions, set pass or fail criteria, and include instructions on what actions drivers should take. For critical issues, you can set alerts that are automatically triggered so you can be proactive in keeping your drivers safe and fleet fully operational. All of the checklist data is instantly stored within the TN360 platform, so you can be confident that you're viewing up-to-date information across your reports. Start your digital transformation today with TN360, from data to decisions.